If Monday.com is showing an extension conflict error, don't worry. This is usually a browser issue, and it can often be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to troubleshoot the problem, find the extension causing the conflict, and get Monday.com working again. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump in. The first thing to do is simply refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com has a temporary loading issue, and a quick refresh is all it takes to clear the error and restore normal access. If the problem is still there after refreshing, the next step is to check your browser extensions. Extensions can interfere with web apps like Monday.com, especially if they block scripts, change page behavior, or add extra browser actions. Open your browser menu by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Extensions and select Manage Extensions. On that page, turn off all extensions temporarily. This gives you a clean browser environment, so you can test Monday.com without anything interfering. After disabling everything, go back to Monday.com and reload the page. If the error disappears, that tells you one of your extensions is causing the conflict. Now comes the important part. Re-enable your extensions one by one. Turn on one extension, refresh Monday.com, and check whether the error comes back. Then repeat the process with the next one. This step may take a few minutes, but it is the most reliable way to identify exactly which extension is breaking Monday.com. When the error returns, you found the conflicting extension. At that point, you have two choices. You can either leave that extension turned off whenever you use Monday.com, or remove it completely if you don't need it. If it's a privacy tool, script blocker, ad blocker, password tool, or a browser add-on you rarely use, removing it may be the best option. Once the bad extension is disabled or deleted, refresh Monday.com again and confirm everything is working normally. If the site loads properly, the conflict has been resolved. For the best results, it's also a good idea to keep your browser updated, since outdated browsers can sometimes make extension problems worse. And if you use multiple browser profiles, test Monday.com in a clean profile as well, just to make sure nothing else is interfering. So, to recap, refresh the page, disable all extensions, re-enable them one at a time, identify the extension causing the issue, and keep it off or remove it. That's the quickest way to fix Monday.com error extension conflict. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.